butterflies, but it's really something telling me to run away. No halo, baby, I'm the reason why hell's so hot.
My kids love these.
Hold up, I know you've never had a Katsu spam musubi before, and if you haven't, I'm about to put you on. So this spot is called Bone and Belly, and they're located here in Las Vegas, and I'm telling you, this is probably one of my favorite things to eat. So they start out by making a fresh spam musubi, then put it in a Katsu mix and deep fry it, and it comes out like this. And this is literally only an appetizer, but it's so good, and I'm telling you, this is not the best thing on the menu. You gotta try their ramen. They probably have the best ramen in town, but if you go, definitely try the Katsu musubi.
Pumba, pumba, pumba,
Essa
pumba la pumba,
é pra você,
pumba la pumba,
novinha.
pumba la pumba,
JP.
pumba la pumba, 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 pumba la pumba.
You can't be right, yeah. I do the same thing. I told you that I never would. I told you I changed, even when I knew I never could. Know that I can't find nobody.
أقصونه إنا كنت حلاك أنا love you more than my life أنا أحبك يا حبيبي نقبل دامين.
Can anyone tell me why Food TikTok is not #1 on the platform? Those top dance creators, all they do is take dances from other people. Meanwhile, I'm in the kitchen all day cooking different dishes, new flavors. Where is the love at for Food TikTok? I'm about to start dancing though. They make.
Could you finish this burger? You can get this from Yo-Yo Burgers and Chicken in Anaheim, California. It has 3 patties and 6 slices of cheese. Saucy. It's topped off with Nashville hot chicken, more sauce.
Trust worse has been done. Man, fuck evaluation.
ما شاء الله بسم الله